Hi, I'm doing a knit crate yarn giveaway, and if you'd like to join under me, your first month you can get 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. All links are down below in the description. You get 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet of patterns. Also, if you'd like to join my Facebook group and page, it's right here. And if you'd like to come to my blog, it has hundreds of patterns over the years that I've created. Amy's Crochet Patterns.com. You can go right to patterns, click on any of these patterns listed. So if you go to coasters, just click close on that stuff. Then you can click on any type of coaster. Like say if you click on that one, it'll take you right to the pattern. And most of all these patterns are free. And I have both of my books on Amazon, Crochet for Beginners, Crochet Hats, and it's ebook, paperback, and audio. Also, my Etsy store, Amy Creative Creations, and I have tags. I have the four crochet printables, charts, little calendars, the month or the year here, and then monthly ones, and then tags, crochet patterns. This is the purse. I have vintage patterns, this placemat, it's pretty popular, and then just more vintage patterns and tags and mugs and just a few shirts. And that's it. So I'm going to show you next what the yarn looks like. Doing a knit crate yarn giveaway. I'm going to pick 2 winners, so come back in a week or so to see if you're the winner. To participate, all you need to do is comment down below something crochet related and make sure you're a subscriber. This knit crate yarn, the link is down below, is $24.99 per month, and you can get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20, which is down below. So this is the first one, 90% alpaca, and the weight is 150 yards, 100 grams. It's gray, really soft, really nice gray. You get 2 of these, so I'm going to pick 2 winners for this one. Also, I have my blog down below if you like to go there, Amy's Crochet Patterns, my Etsy store with some digital products, and it's all linked down below, as well as some crochet items in my Etsy store. And anything else is all down below. Here's the other one, the light gray, wool, silk, mohair, 231 yards. And I do not have a book with these because actually these are old yarns that were not claimed for my giveaways. So the books are actually, I think on these ones they just got postcards when we were going through what was going on in the world. They didn't give out booklets. Okay, so all you need to do is make sure you comment down below, make sure you are a subscriber, because I need to do the random comment picker to pick somebody. That's why it has to be a comment down below. And thank you everybody for watching, and thank you for subscribing. And in the description is all of the links and information.